Good morning guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So today, menu namin is chicken barbecue. And then, it's look like hab and it's spicy from India. So this is our ingredients. See, this is a whipping cream, around of 3 tablespoons, 1 cup of yogurt. This one tablespoon of cream cheese. Garlic powder is half tablespoon. Garam masala is 1 tablespoon. Salt, black pepper, and cornstarch, garlic, and ginger, and also green pepper. So I have here butter and barbecue sticks. So this is the kind of chicken I use, chicken breast. So cut siya ng ganyan, no? So mimix na siya natin. Then stand siya ng 1 hour bago siya natin gamitan ng barbecue stick. So gonna start. Para ka lang nagtatahi or like you are showing the clothes. Yes. So like that. See? Continuous ko lang to kaya hanggang sa matapos. So guys, ayan na po, muntik na laglag. Ayan na siya. So try na natin. Pero hindi siya natin i-oven. Lagay po tayo ng konting olive oil. Olive oil and also cheese. Oh, sorry, butter. Okay. So, yan na siya. Alright. So, wait natin na iyan ng kunting brown lang. See guys, it's a very good smell. Dahil siguro sa cheese, saka sa cooking cream, and then also have butter. So we don't need this to cook much because you know why? The chicken is a very thin slice and then you marinate in 1 hour. So we don't need, so only like this brown. And also tastes good. Okay, so we'll wait a little bit more. So guys, this is it. See the color, and then looking yummy as in. Looking, it's not dry, the meat of chicken. And then tasty. So it's a very easy how to make it. So hope that everybody can make this like this. It's a very tasty. Really guys, this video is no more hide any ingredients. It's totally all the ingredients that you see. It's used. Just I forgot to mention before the olive oil. So I want to cover this because you know why I put in the oven, that to become still hot until the lunchtime here in Qatar. So thank you guys and God bless you. Hope everybody watch my next video. Thank you and God bless you all. Ingat kayo lahat. Keep safe always.